guys, let me give you 7 smart real estate tips you should know. Always verify the title deed. Confirm the property has genuine, clean title deed before committing to buy. For example, make sure there is no ongoing dispute by doing a proper due diligence. Start with a budget, not just a dream. Know you can afford. A set budget helps you filter properties and avoid financial strain. Location is everything. Invest in areas with good infrastructure, amenities, and future development plans for higher returns. Ask for all legal documents. Make sure you see the land search results, sales agreement, and approval before you even make a single payment. Use registered and trusted companies. Buying from abroad, work with reputable verified companies like Gazebo Homes for peace of mind. Remember, there are fraudsters out there. Inspect before you invest. Visit the site or request a video inspection. It's your right to know what you're buying. Invest early, reap long term. Real estate appreciates with time. The earlier you start, the more your property grows in value.